Hello everyone, today I want to show you the function in VT tool. This is the review surface. You know corridor review, click review on, but survey not review on into arrow paster, and I create a new function review on surface. You can see the surface, click and you can see the surface G not review, click not check, and I will review on datum and top, click accept. If you now choose select, you click and non-click accept. You can see the result review on survey quickly. You can try it and download VT tool. Can you see a link this below? Thank you very much.